Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to fix ChatGPT error conversation not found on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix error conversation not found in ChatGPT with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Refresh ChatGPT mobile app. A simple refresh can fix temporary glitches. If you're using the app, try a force refresh by swiping down on the conversation list. But if you're using a browser, refresh the page. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Most probably this error occurs due to weak internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then fix it by trying some basic tips like turn on and off the mobile data, turn on and off the flight mode, use a Wi-Fi connection in case mobile internet is slow. Try using the wired connection to enjoy uninterrupted and speedy Wi-Fi internet. Restart the router and re-establish the connection. Solution 3. Clear ChatGPT app's cache and data. A cluttered cache on the ChatGPT app can also lead to error conversation not found Android. Thus, clear the temporary app's data and get rid of the issue. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the ChatGPT. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Sign out and sign in again into ChatGPT. The next solution, you can try signing out and signing back into the ChatGPT app. Click on your username at the top right corner, and then on Logout. Once you've logged out, sign in with your username and password. Solution 5. Update ChatGPT app. Sometimes an outdated version of ChatGPT app can cause different issues, including error conversation not found. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the ChatGPT app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the ChatGPT app to check for the error. Solution 6. Check if ChatGPT server is down. The next solution you can try to fix this error on Android is to check the status of ChatGPT servers. Visit the Down Detector website to solve the problem. Solution 7. Consult the app developer. Another method you can try to resolve this error in ChatGPT is contacting the app developer to see if they have any specific troubleshooting steps or recommendations. You can simply send the mail to contact@openai.com and ask for the assistance. So, this is all about how to fix ChatGPT error conversation not found on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.